Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, on her 11th birthday, Mackenzie decided to distribute candies in her class of 18 students. Her mom gave her 4,293 candies to distribute. If she distributed candies equally in the class, how many candies did each student get and how many candies are left with Mackenzie? Here we have given number of students in class. Number of students are 18. Then total number of candies 4,293. As Mackenzie distribute equal number of candies, so each student will get 4,293, that is total number of candies divided by number of students. So do this division, it will give the number of candies that each student will get. 4,293 divided by 18. 18 2s are 36. 42 minus 36 is 6. Move this 9 down. Then 18 3s are 54. 69 minus 54 is 15. Move this 3 down. 18 8s are 144. 153 minus 144 is 9. So here 238 candies that each student will get, and here remainder 9 are the number of candies left with her. Hence, each student will get 238 candies and 9 left, 9 candies left with Mackenzie.